Hello everyone. Important thing you have to know that working on cars is very dangerous. You can cut your veins, lose fingers, arm, legs, and worst cases even die. And for this you have to work in safety. Don't do hazardous things. Well, this is my car. It's a Ford Fiesta from 2010, 1.4 liters petrol engine. This car doesn't have a tensioner belt. This car uses another type of belt, elastic belt. Normally, to change this belt, you have to use a special tool that goes to the crankshaft engine pulley. But I don't use it because I don't need it. To do this work, we have to unscrew here and here, and under the alternator we have another screw. We have to release it. We don't have to screw it all the screw, just a little bit. Always remove the negative. Now we go under the alternator to remove the another screw. I'm sorry, not to remove, only to loose the belt. The screw is over here. This is the old belt. If you see, it is damaged here, and is old, is very old. Look, another here. The problem is when this belt is broken, it is connected to the water pump, and this is a problem because you gonna burn the head gasket. My belt is this. Now the second phase is to get the belt inside. First to the crankshaft engine pulley, second to the air conditioner compressor, alternator, and under the water pump. I'm checking if the belt is perfectly aligned, and to the alternator is okay. The compressor of the AC okay. To the engine pulley, I don't know, I have to get under the car. Everything is perfect. I turned down the volume because my neighbors are doing I don't know what. It's like a tunnel boring machine next to me. Okay. Okay. Now we are ready to start the engine. I connect the battery pole. Okay. Everything is perfect, absolutely perfect. Well, now the car running fine. I did a great job. I am here. I see you all on next videos, and excuse my English. I promise you I gonna do better the next time. See ya.